Hey there, fitness enthusiasts! Are you ready to revamp your workout routine and see amazing results? I'm here to guide you through some of the most effective workouts that can transform your fitness game. Let's dive in. First up, we have high-intensity interval training or HIIT. This powerhouse workout involves short bursts of intense exercise followed by a brief period of rest or low activity. Whether you're sprinting, cycling, or jump roping, HIIT fires up your metabolism and burns calories long after you've finished your session. Plus, it's perfect if you're strapped for time. Just 20 minutes can make a massive difference. Next, let's talk about strength training. Incorporating weights into your routine is crucial not just for building muscle, but also for bone health and boosting metabolism. Focus on compound movements like squats, deadlifts, and bench presses. These exercises work multiple muscle groups at once, making your workout super efficient. And remember, it's not about the weight you lift, but the form you keep. Then there's circuit training. This is a killer way to blend strength and endurance by performing several exercises back-to-back with little to no rest in between. It keeps your heart rate up and challenges your muscles in new ways every session. Plus, it's incredibly versatile. You can mix in dumbbells, resistance bands, or even just body weight exercises. And don't forget about flexibility and mobility work. While often overlooked, incorporating activities like yoga or dynamic stretching into your routine can improve your overall performance and reduce injury risk. It's all about keeping those muscles strong and supple. Lastly, consistency is key. It doesn't matter how effective your workout is if you're not doing it regularly. Aim to mix these styles throughout your week, challenge yourself consistently, and watch as your body transforms. So, what are you waiting for? Let's get moving and maximize those fitness gains. Remember, the journey might be tough, but it's absolutely worth it. See you at the gym.